Welcome to the full workflow guide on how I created stunning cinematic AI videos using OpenArt. What if you could create cinematic videos using just AI prompts? Today, I'll show you how I used OpenArt to generate stunning AI videos in minutes. Get ready for a fast-paced look at the incredible results you can achieve. We are diving deep into the full workflow, proving that high-quality cinematic footage can now be made entirely with artificial intelligence. First, let's introduce the powerhouse behind these creations, OpenArt. OpenArt is an all-in-one AI creative platform where you can generate images, videos, characters, and even animations using AI. OpenArt offers a suite of dedicated video tools including text-to-video, image-to-video, motion sync, and various AI effects. Let's start with the most basic yet powerful feature, text-to-video. I opened a text-to-video feature and typed this prompt: a cyberpunk city with neon lights and flying cars, cinematic camera movement. The AI gets to work almost instantly, and here is the final result. You simply type a prompt, choose a model, and the AI creates an animated scene for you. Next up is how we can bring static artwork to life using the image-to-video tool. Using this feature, I uploaded an existing AI image, ready to add dynamic cinematic motion. I added a motion prompt, slow cinematic zoom with wind movement, and this tool flawlessly added motion and cinematic movement to my static image. Beyond basic generation, OpenArt shines with a host of advanced features. We're talking about motion sync, lip sync for character speaking, video upscale for quality boost, and even automatic sound effects generation. What makes OpenArt powerful is the number of AI tools available in one place. You can do everything without ever leaving the platform. OpenArt also gives access to multiple AI video models, each offering different styles and quality levels. I tested models like VO3 and Kling to showcase the differences in generation speed, consistency, and overall cinematic quality. Here's a side-by-side look at the difference between realistic, anime, and cinematic styles. Choosing the right model is key to your desired outcome. After experimenting with prompts and models, these were some of my final AI-generated results. Watch as we showcase fantasy scenes, high-tech sci-fi shots, characters walking, and sweeping drone-style cinematic footage. These stunning clips prove the quality achievable when leveraging OpenArt's advanced tools.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more stunning AI videos and the latest AI updates.